Hello students, welcome to Biology Tutorial channel. Today we are going to do quiz on the taxonomy of living things and taxonomic hierarchy. This is grade 9 biology. I think you will get important information from this quiz. Good. Question number 1. Who is known as the father of taxonomy for introducing an orderly system for classifying organisms? A. Charles Darwin, B. Gregor Mendel, C. Carlos Linnaeus, D. Aristotle. Who is the father of taxonomy? And who introduced an orderly system for classifying organisms? Which one is the correct answer? Students. The father of taxonomy, in addition, introduced an orderly or hierarchy system for classifying organisms. Good. The correct answer is C. Carlos Linnaeus. For question number 1, the correct answer is C. Good. Question number 2. What is the science for naming, identifying, and classifying organisms called? A. Biology, B. Ecology, C. Taxonomy, D. Botany. The science of naming and identifying as well as classifying organisms called what? Simple, yes? I think all of you got the answers. The answer is C. Taxonomy is the science of naming, identifying, and classifying organisms. Good. So the correct answer for question number 2 is C. Question number 3. Linnaeus introduced which naming system? A. Trinomial nomenclature, B. Phylogenetic coding, C. Binomial nomenclature, D. Common naming. Linnaeus introduced which naming system? Is that trinomial nomenclature? Is that phylogenetic coding? Is that common naming? Or binomial nomenclature? The correct answer is that for question number 3. ተማሪዎች ትክክለኛ መልስ ማን ነው? The correct answer for question number 3 is C. Binomial nomenclature. Good. Question number 4. Aristotle classified animals based on what? A. DNA sequence, B. Presence or absence of red blood, C. Number of limbs, D. Reproductive method. Aristotle classified animals based on what? From these alternatives. Which one is the correct answer? Good. The correct answer is B. Aristotle classified animals based on presence or absence of red blood. He classified animals into vertebrate and invertebrate animals based on what? The presence or absence of red blood. So the correct answer for question number 4 is B. Good. Question number 5. Which of the following is a key reason Aristotle's early classification system was considered flawed or weakness? Which one is the weakness of Aristotle's classification system? A. He only classified animals and not plants. B. He grouped unrelated organisms like birds and bats based on a single shared feature, that is flight. C. He used hierarchical system. D. His system was too complex for others to understand. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the key reason why Aristotle's early classification system was considered flawed? Or which one is the weakness of Aristotle's classification system? Students, which one is the correct answer? Good. The correct answer is B. He grouped unrelated organisms. He grouped birds and bats together, as he considers that they fly, or there is a flight feature of this bird and flight. So he grouped unrelated organisms like birds and bats based on a single shared feature. Based on what? Flight. And he grouped birds and bats together. So this is the weakness of Aristotle's classification. So the correct answer for question number 5 is B. Good. Question number 6. What was a major limitation of Linus two-kingdom system? Yes, Linus two-kingdom system, that is Plantae and Animalia. So what was the major limitation of Linus classification system? A, it is only include organisms from Europe. B, he did not distinguish between prokaryotic and eukaryotic. C, it classified organisms based on their diet. D, it did not use hierarchical structure. So from the given alternative, which one is the major weakness or limitation of Linus classification system? Good. The correct answer is what? B. It does not distinguish between prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. So the limitation of two-kingdom system of Plantae was that it did not distinguish between prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. So the correct answer for question number 6 is B. Good. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a benefit for biological classification? The benefit, not a benefit of biological classification. A, it helps in the identification of harmful and beneficial organisms. B, it allows scientists to determine the exact age of organisms. C, it helps us understand the evolutionary relationship between organisms. D, it can have economic benefits such as finding new sources for medicines. Which one is not the beneficial of biological classification from the given alternative? Is that biological classification is important for identification of harmful and beneficial organisms? Is that important to determine the exact age of organisms? Is that to understand the evolutionary relationship between organisms? Is that to find new sources for medicines? Find the correct answer? Good. The correct answer is B. B is not the benefit of biological classification. It allows scientists to determine the exact age of organisms. This is not beneficial. This is not the benefit of biological classification. All others, choice A, choice C, choice D, are the benefits of biological classification. So ከዚህ ውስጥ ቤኔፊት ያልሆነው ለባዮሎጂካል ክላሲፊኬሽን ቤኔፊት ያልሆነው ቢ ነው። Question number 8. A limitation of Linus' original two-kingdom system was A, it included virus. B, it distinguished prokaryotic and eukaryotic. C, it grouped fungi with plant. D, it used binomial nomenclature. Which one is the limitation of Linus' original two-kingdom system? It include virus. It distinguished prokaryotic and eukaryotic. It grouped fungi with plants. It used binomial nomenclature. Which one is the limitation? Which one is the weakness of this two-kingdom system of classification that was introduced by Carl Siemens? Good. The correct answer is C. It grouped fungi with plants. So this is the limitation or the weakness of Linus' two-kingdom classification system. So the answer for question number 8 is C. This is the limitation of Carl Linus. It grouped fungi with plants, but plants and fungi are two unrelated organisms. Good. Question number 9. Discovering new medicine often rely on taxonomy because A, related species may share useful chemicals. B, all plants produce identical compounds. C, Latin names predict medicinal value. D, it prioritized aesthetic features. Discovering new medicines often rely on taxonomy. Because of what? Yes? What is the benefit of taxonomy related to medicine? Good. The correct answer is A. Related species may share useful chemicals. This is an important of taxonomy for medicine. Good. Question number 10. Linus classification was revolutionary because it used DNA sequences. B. Grouped organisms by habitat only. C. Provided an orderly hierarchical system. D. Excluded plant species. Yes, Linus classification was revolutionary. Why? Why it is revolutionary? Why it is very important? Because of what? From the given alternative, which one is the correct answer? Good. The correct answer is what? C. Because it provided an orderly hierarchical system. This is the most important revolutionary advantage of Linus classification for the modern classification system, because of the fact that Linus classification was revolutionary because it provided an orderly hierarchical system. Thank you for watching. So please like, share and subscribe this video for more biology quizzes. ሼር አድርጉት፣ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉት፣ እንደገና ደግሞ ላይክ አድርጉት። ሌሎችንም እንደዚህ ያሉ ኩዊዞችን እናቀርብላችኋለን። ታንኪዩ